Hi, this is Mukil, because of Mukil Company. Here we are going to see about how to convert SharePoint Word document into PDF using Microsoft Flow. We can trigger this flow from Postman. Let's see. So this is a site created in SharePoint. In this we created two libraries, one for source, one for destination. The source contains Word document, destination library contains PDF after converted. Okay, let's see. So okay, now we are going to open Microsoft Flow. Okay, I just going to click Flow. So already I opened the Flow in another window, so we will see this. Okay, here this is the flow I already created under my credential. Okay, I am going to create new flow. Here I just click as automated from blank. Okay, here I just name it as a convert PDF, otherwise PDF conversion. Whatever the name you want, you can able to give. Okay, I just give just a skip. We can add these activities later. Okay, okay. Now it just says untitled, so now I give here, I give title PDF conversion. Here we can trigger the workflow from Postman. Okay, for this we need to create when request is made. So that's why we need to add that activity. So choose when HTTP request is you, this flow going to trigger. Okay, this HTTP post URL will be generated after save this flow. Okay, so first create the flow and then we save, and then we get the HTTP post URL from here. Okay, so let's see. Now here we need to get parameter from Postman for SharePoint document ID. Okay, so in this I already write a code here, JSON example code. I just copy this and just paste the request body section. In this item ID as the parameter, so type as a integer. This item ID is SharePoint item ID from source document library. Okay, so this is a required field, so we can make this. Okay, now again we can get this file properties from SharePoint. So for this we need to add next. Just on SharePoint, in this get file properties. Okay, in the site address drop down section we can see all the site. So here I choose the first site and choose library name, source, and identifier is item ID from HTTP request. So already we sent the request from Postman, so I get this ID. So once we can choose this view or not, so I choose anyway default view all documents. Next I need to get file content from this file properties. For this I just add next step, click SharePoint, get file content from SharePoint. I just add this activity. So here site address, I choose the first site, file, select file identifier. Here I choose this identifier. This is, you can see the description below, value that can be used in file related actions for selecting the file. Okay, so I use this identifier. So this advanced option. So item content type in this default came as yes. We'll get file content from SharePoint. Okay, now I need to add next step. Add this file into OneDrive, because OneDrive we convert PDF from OneDrive. So then it means we need to add document from SharePoint library to OneDrive, and then we convert it as a PDF and return back to SharePoint library. Okay, and then we delete the file in OneDrive. That's look we can go to see about. So we can call now create file in OneDrive. So for this, just choose OneDrive for business. In this, actions are loading. Here, create file in OneDrive. Just double click. This activity came of folder path. Just put slash. Okay. Here, file name. That means file content we already get from SharePoint. So I just use that file content here. Okay. Sorry, file name. So file name, this is a file content, this is a file name. So I choose a file content here. The file name is, already we have the name, so we choose the name, and then we put extension for this file. So we can get, we not getting extension with the name, so it's only came name. So I put extension use yes. So next step I am going to have convert this file into PDF and convert this OneDrive file into PDF. So for this I use OneDrive for business. In this convert file, there is in the preview. So anyway it's working now. So we choose convert file preview, convert file. Okay, in this we need to put identifier. So identifier we already created in OneDrive, so that will list out here. So we can see this OneDrive ID we need to put here. Without the OneDrive ID we are going to convert. So unique identifier of the file ID. So ID we can have. So I just double click it. Okay, next we move this PDF file into SharePoint. Okay, for this we can have next I choose SharePoint. In this again I choose create file activity from SharePoint, create file SharePoint. So site address the same, first site I choose folder path as destination. Okay, here the file name is, just put the name before that we added. So we can use that name as well, name, just extension as a PDF. Okay, the file content we can get file content from OneDrive. So with this OneDrive file content we need to choose, and then this is a create file. Now we are deleting our file from OneDrive because we can convert multiple requests for conversion. So OneDrive going to fill easily gets all the memory is gone, because Microsoft giving one limited amount of memory for our OneDrive. So we are going to delete this file from OneDrive. So for this we have next step, we can get OneDrive for business. In this we can have delete file. Okay, delete file. Unique identifier. We can choose item ID in OneDrive. So here there is already the ID. We can choose here. Okay. Next, we return back the item ID from destination library. So for this, we need to return back response as a item ID. We return the response PDF item ID. So for this, we need to add another step, HTTP response HTTP. Yes, HTTP. Sorry, delete this. I missed something. Here I choose this and this response scheme. Okay, I choose the response. Here already I was added. So the content type is a JSON format. So I just put already I copied from already I created also. So just for them. So content type will copy here. Content type and value is a JSON. Body, we can return back the item ID. PDF convert an item ID here, so we need to return back is a create file to item ID we need to return. So here I choose ID. Okay, response is return back. Now I was save this flow. Okay, so flow is saved. Now that post URL will be generated. So here I copy this post URL and paste this into OneDrive. Okay, I was created the content type as application.json and body content I send the item ID, this item ID from OneDrive. This item item to the item ID for source document library. So you can see there is document library having source in this. There is source document library. In this there is a document called conversion doc. This item ID is 1. So you are sending this item ID here. So I just put send request here. Now request is posted. So we need to choose this a post request. I choose as a post request. Now the response side. So the body section. So we are getting some error, unexpected percentage like this. So we will check what's going wrong here. So we can go to check flow now. Okay, this is a flow. So that's my flows. Okay. Here, the 6 seconds ago. Okay, I check, just click on the video conversion. It's loading. Here it's a run history also succeeded. Okay, so it has succeeded. So that means it must be written the item ID. I don't know, there's something wrong with this. Okay, we can check. There is a file, so we can able to check the destination document library. Yes, exactly. Is a document written here, so maybe something wrong with this here. I put the wrong format in the response section, so we will check this now. So we edit this. What I need to put the response sections status code 200. So I am not putting the status code here, so I need to put the status code. So and then we will check what I did done here. So now I am going to another file in the source document. This I am going to upload files. Desktop, there is some files there. Okay, I add this add exclamation of 65. This file is going to upload. So we will check. I put this. Why status is not done, item ID is returning template file, but anyway, I will check once again. Okay, so the file is not uploaded. More files. That should also. Anyways, and again once again. Also coding. You wait the response. Okay, there's still something problem. So wait. My internet is very slow, that's why it's taking some time. Okay, so this is my return the item ID to headers, cookies, unexpected resolution scale. Sorry, here I need to choose item ID. Okay, this create file item ID introduced. So before that I wrongly chose unique ID, that means GUID. So now I am going to save this file. Okay, now document is saved. Now the flow is saved. Now that having add external users, that's a new document added, that's item ID 2. So I am going to Postman and the body section. So I add item ID as 2, and now I just send the request. Okay, now the body section is loading. Now that 4 is sitting. So now we are going to check the destination document library. Yes, stock 120 PDF. Okay, it's removed from OneDrive. OneDrive also empty now, so you can get it. OneDrive file. OneDrive also does not have file because we deleted from OneDrive. Okay, thanks for watching. So still, we want more detail about this. Please visit googlehandy.com. Thank you.